Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2020 VCE Chemistry. We will focus on questions related to electrolysis and rechargeable cells. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. In some electrolysis cells, the electrodes are not always inert. For example, iron always is used as a cathode of electrolysis cells to produce sodium and aluminum metal. So, A is eliminated. In galvanic cells, the voltage of the cells is influenced by the concentration of electrolyte. So, B is eliminated. In all electrolysis cells, electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. So, C is eliminated. Yes, the products are dependent on the half-cell components in the electrolysis cell. Chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. So, D is correct. Fuel cells need not be recharged because they have a continuous supply of reactants. So, A is eliminated. All cells including secondary cells produce thermal energy. So, B is eliminated. The anode in a fuel is negative because it loses electrons. So, C is eliminated. Since reactants are supplied continuously in fuel cells, the fuel cells deliver a constant voltage. However, the voltage of secondary cells is reduced during discharge because the reactants are consumed and not supplied. So, D is correct. This is an electrolysis cell. The cousin electrode is connected to the negative terminal of power. So, the electrons are pumped into the cousin electrode. The cathode gains electrons. To open the electrolysis cell, we should apply the power voltage larger than the different voltage between the anode and cathode. This difference is 0.73 V. For ethanol production, hydroxide ions lose electrons, and carbon dioxide gains electrons. The loss must be equal to the gain. So, we triple the equation for the losing electrons. Then, both equations are added, and we get the overall equation. Carbon dioxide is an oxidizing agent. The oxidation number of carbon in carbon dioxide decreases from +4 to -2 in ethanol, so carbon dioxide gains electrons. The molecule gaining electrons is an oxidizing agent. Step by step. First, calculate the amount of electrons. Second, calculate the charge with Faraday's constant. Third, calculate the time of electrolysis if the efficiency is 100%. Finally, calculate the time of electrolysis in practice when the efficiency is 58%. This rechargeable cell is made of lithium metal, carbon, and a non-aqueous electrolyte. The catalyst is coated on carbon and carbon dioxide is absorbed by a non-aqueous electrolyte. The reactions are given when this cell is discharged. However, the recharge reaction is asked. The reactions of recharge are reverse that of discharge. Balance the electrons on both sides and add them. The state of substances isn't required here. Don't use a double arrow here because the reaction is one way. To regenerate the reactants, the products formed in the rechargeable cell during discharge must remain in contact with the electrodes in a convertible form. Reduces battery life. As lithium carbonate breaks away from the cathode, the amount of lithium carbonate is reduced for recharging. The equation of reaction is required here. Lithium metal is a very strong reducing agent and will replace hydrogen gas from water. Hydrogen gas is highly flammable and induces fire, even explosives. 1 mark is for identifying the unsafe products, 1 marks the equations, and 1 marks the safety risk. No. The carbon dioxide absorbed during discharge will be released during recharge. Although the equations of reaction are not required here, I think that equations are helpful for an answer. 2 multiple-choice questions worth 2 marks, and 2 short-answer questions worth 15 marks in this section covering electrolysis and rechargeable cells. The overall score for this section is 17 points. With a total possible score of 120 points, the percentage for this section was 14.2% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lu's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lu's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lu's VCE Biology channel.